Hello dear students, I hope you all are doing well, and today we are going to deal with letters to the editor. Okay, we shall learn how to write these kinds of letters. Okay, see, such letters voice the opinion of the people and provide them a platform to express their agreement, disagreement or reaction to the news and views contained in the newspaper. These letters can also raise issues of social, political and economic interest and generally center around public reactions. जो इस टाइप के लेटर्स होते हैं वो लोगों को एक प्लेटफॉर्म देते हैं उनके व्यूज को एक्सप्रेस करने के लिए. ठीक है. So the format of writing these kinds of letter is same as that of the business letters. Okay. See, in previous class we learnt about business or official letters, right? And the format is, first of all we write sender's address. Sender's address means one who sends the letter. Okay. And then we leave a line and then we write the date of writing the letter, right? And then we write receiver's address, and after writing receiver's address we write the subject of the letter. Okay. And after writing subject we give salutation. Salutation means like sir, dear madam, respected sir, respected madam. Okay. After giving salutation we start writing the letter. Okay. The first few lines are kind of introduction. Okay. And then we come to the main body of the letter. Okay. In this part we elaborate our views and at last we conclude the letter having hope, comment or request, right? And then comes the complimentary closer like thanking you, your sincerely or your faithfully, right? So we have a question here. Write a letter to the editor of the Hindustan Times, Dehradun, about water scarcity in your locality. You are Arya Arun Verma, 34 Nehru Nagar, Dehradun. Okay. So first of all we write the address of sender. Okay. And then after leaving a line we write the date. Correct. And then the receiver's address. Who is the receiver here? The editor, the Hindustan Times, Dehradun, and the pin code. Okay. After writing receiver's address we write subject. What is the subject of the letter? Water scarcity in Nehru Nagar. Okay. Then the salutation, sir. Then we start writing the main part of the letter. Okay. Like through the column, we start it like this. Through the column of your esteemed newspaper, I would like to draw the attention of the municipal authorities towards the scarcity of water in our locality. Right? This is how we start these kinds of letters. Correct? In Nehru Nagar, water is being supplied for only 10 minutes in the morning and for the same time in the evening. We have to depend on this water and those from tankers. For the rest of the day, the taps remain dry. Even the quality of water supplies is very unhygienic. Okay. The situation is causing immense stress in all respects, but still the authorities have not yet taken any necessary steps to solve this problem. Okay. And then we conclude the letter. We hope that the concerned authorities will take immediate steps to ensure adequate supply of good quality water. It is suggested that the Municipal Water Corporation should provide us connections from the main water line. Then comes the complimentary closer, thanking you, then yours faithfully and the name. Okay, Arya Verma. It is given in the question. Okay. Dear students, it's very simple to write these letters provided we know the proper format.